Yeah, I've got this open in X10. Change the angle on that. You can see I've got two separate stair objects here set manually as to height and width. One fits in between these two walls, and this one kind of lines up. I guess if you wanted the, I guess we could take this wall here. Well, I don't really want to do that. If you want this base mold to go all the way over the edge, then you could use a manual molding polyline. There we go, like that. And then extend this over here to the stair. Yeah, like that. I overdid it a little bit. There, you get the idea. And that's how I did that. I opened the dialog box of the stair and set the tread depth manually, set the height manually, and I adjusted until this lower stair matched up with the upper stair, which I set manually. And so it can be done, it just can't be done automatically. Like a lot of things in cheap architect and home designer software, you have to step in and carefully adjust things exactly the way you want them, because although this software is quite intelligently created, it's not in and of itself intelligent. It's a mechanical device, and it needs your guidance in order to get a result. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Have a good day.